Becoming rich is a dream many people have, but often feels impossible to achieve, especially if you feel like you are starting from nothing. However, with hard work, dedication, and a strategic plan, it is possible to turn your financial situation around and become wealthy. In this video, I am going to share with you some tips and strategies that can help you become rich from nothing. Tip number 1. Believe in yourself. The first and most important step to becoming rich from nothing is to believe in yourself. You need to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, and you need to believe that you have what it takes to make it happen. No one can achieve anything great without confidence and self-belief. So don't be afraid to dream big and trust in your abilities. Tip number 2. Develop a money mindset. To become rich, you have to develop a money mindset. This means changing the way you think about money and adopting a positive attitude towards it. Many people view money as something negative or stressful. But the truth is that money is a tool that can be used to achieve your goals and improve your life. Instead of seeing money as something to be feared, start seeing it as a means to achieve financial freedom and independence. Tip number 3. Educate yourself on personal finance. To become rich, you must also educate yourself on personal finance. This means learning how to budget, save, and invest your money wisely. Start by reading books, attending seminars, and talking to financial experts. Educating yourself on personal finance will help you make informed decisions about your money and avoid costly mistakes. Tip number 4. Live below your means. Living below your means is one of the most important steps to becoming rich. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding debt. To live below your means, start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as cutting back on dining out or finding cheaper alternatives for things you regularly buy. Tip number 5. Save and invest your money. Saving and investing your money is essential if you want to become rich. Start by creating an emergency fund that can cover your expenses for at least 6 months. Once you have an emergency fund in place, start investing your money in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Investing your money wisely can help you grow and provide you with a source of passive income. Tip number 6. Build a network of successful people. Building a network of successful people can also help you become rich. Surround yourself with people who are successful in their careers or businesses. Join networking groups, attend conferences and seminars, and connect with people on social media. Having a network of successful people can provide you with valuable advice, support, and opportunities. Tip number 7. Take risks. To become rich, you must be willing to take risks. This means stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new things. Taking risks can be scary, but it can also be rewarding. Look for opportunities to invest in yourself and your business and be open to trying new things. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Tip number 8. Learn from failures. Failure is a part of the journey to success. Don't be discouraged by failures. Instead, use them as an opportunity to learn and grow. Analyze your failures, identify the area where you can improve, and make the necessary changes. Remember, every successful person has faced failures at some point, but they never gave up. And tip number 9. Work hard and stay focused. Finally, becoming rich requires hard work and focus. Set goals for yourself and work hard to achieve them. Stay focused on your vision and don't let setbacks or failures discourage you. Keep pushing forward and eventually you will achieve success. In conclusion, becoming rich from nothing is not an impossible dream. It won't happen overnight, but with hard work, dedication, and a strategic plan, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you have always dreamed of. Remember, becoming rich from nothing is not just about accumulating money. It's about creating a life of purpose and fulfillment, where you have the freedom to pursue your passions and contribute to the world in meaningful ways. So, take action today and start on the path towards financial freedom. With the right mindset and actions, anything is possible.